Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to link some information into your self-study report and your working document, particularly if you're looking to gather in some evidence. Let's take a look first at which standard we're going to look at. Well, why don't we take a look at Standard 2 for curriculum. We go into Standard 2 for curriculum. We know that there's about, and we're going to go into our working document. We know Standard 2 has been working really hard at this, and they're asking the question, they're looking at the questions, and let's just go down to number 2. And we see that the answers here include yes. So what to look for? Natalie is going to be writing this one. Is the curriculum written in a common format that includes? Well, she's answered yes to all of these questions. So Natalie, you're going to owe us one. The Uxbridge High School curriculum map is written in a common format that includes units of study with essential questions. Oh, the heck with it. We're just going to copy all of this eventually and, blah, 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 blah. Where do we find this, though? Well, let's go up to Atlas Rubicon. And there's the public view of it, which is really all we need. But if we want to make sure people see it, we'll go into the browse. And as we're here, we see all of the different maps that people can go into. So let's just say we're going to use this particular link. So we highlight it and we copy it. And we go back over to the working document. And we write here, teacher goals for the 2016-17 school year and moving into 2017-18 for some courses included the updating of the curriculum map to ensure a common format, which included essential questions, concepts, content, and skills. The curriculum guides generally support and include the school's learning expectations, which is a section that most teachers plan on updating beyond the 2018-19 school year as the expectations become more, we'll just say, more demanding and regularly assessed in all curricular areas. We're going to now link it. The curriculum map is where the evidence would go. So we highlight that. We come up here to the little linky guy and we click it and we have it paste and we apply. And there's our evidence. And why do we have the word generally? We have the word generally because Natalie down here wrote the word yes-ish. Do curriculum guides include instructional practices? While not all curriculum guides include instructional practices, it is clear that Mr. DeMeglio's phone rings. It is clear that instructional practices are driven by the curriculum guides and maps. Do curriculum guides include assessment practices? Well, part of the development of the curriculum map will include the inclusion, and I know that's being redundant, we can go back and edit it later, of common assessments within courses, including assignments for Stage 2 of Atlas Rubicon mapping. However, all subjects at UHS have applicable curriculum guides however, and assessment practices are guided by the instruction and curriculum therein. And we have just finished that, and the map says it. Now, when we get the Endicott survey, we might be able to include that percent of students, parents, and staff agree that the curriculum map includes what have you. And we could link the Endicott survey results right there as well, in the same way. Hope that made sense, and that's how you link things.